Have you ever wondered how massive the largest planet in our solar system really is? Get ready for some mind-blowing figures. Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun, is not just big, it's absolutely gargantuan. It possesses a mass that's more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in our solar system combined. Just imagine, every planet we know, from Mercury to Neptune, all bundled together, and Jupiter still outclasses them by a mile. Now let's talk about its size. Jupiter boasts a staggering diameter of 142,984 kilometers. That's equivalent to lining up 11 Earths side by side. This behemoth of a planet is so large that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. So when we say Jupiter is big, we mean it's really, really big. But what exactly is Jupiter made of? Well, it's primarily composed of hydrogen, making up about 90% by volume, and helium. Imagine a colossal swirling ball of these light gases, and you've got a basic picture of Jupiter, but it doesn't stop there. Dive beneath the gaseous exterior and you'll find an outer mantle of liquid metallic hydrogen. This exotic form of hydrogen, under extreme pressures, behaves like a metal, conducting electricity and generating Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. And at the heart of the planet, there's a diffuse inner core of denser material. While it's still a topic of scientific debate, this core could be enriched with elements heavier than helium, like rock and metal. We're talking about a core that could weigh as much as 20 Earths. Now imagine all these layers spinning rapidly, with Jupiter completing a rotation in just 10 hours, giving it a slightly oblate or squashed shape. Quite a fascinating place, isn't it? So Jupiter is not just the largest planet, but also one of the most uniquely composed. What would it be like to look at Jupiter's skies? Well, first and foremost, you would notice that Jupiter's atmosphere is divided into latitudinal bands, much like the stripes on a zebra, only these are swirling with gases. The most recognizable feature of Jupiter's atmosphere is the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that's been raging for at least 300 years. This storm is so large that Earth could fit inside it twice. Now, imagine a faint ring system encircling the planet, much less prominent than Saturn's, but captivating nonetheless. This ring system is made up of dust particles from some of Jupiter's moons that have been swept up by the planet's strong gravity. And let's not forget about Jupiter's powerful magnetosphere. It's the largest and most powerful of any planetary magnetic field in the solar system, extending up to 7 million kilometers in the Sun's direction and almost to the orbit of Saturn in the opposite direction. So, whether it's the striped bands, the colossal storm, the faint ring system, or the powerful magnetosphere, Jupiter's skies are a sight to behold. Jupiter's skies are as fascinating as they are turbulent. Is Earth's single moon feeling lonely? Jupiter might just be the place to go. Jupiter, our solar system's largest planet, is also the proud parent of 79 known moons, a celestial family that's nothing short of extraordinary. Among this vast collection, 4 stand out for their size and historical significance. These are the Galilean moons, named after the renowned astronomer Galileo Galilei who discovered them. First up we have Io, the most volcanically active body in our solar system, constantly reshaping its surface with lava flows. Then there's Europa, a moon with a surface of ice that scientists believe could be hiding an ocean of water beneath. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. It's the only moon known to have its own magnetic field. And last but not least, there's Callisto, a heavily cratered moon that looks like it's been through the wars. With such an eclectic mix of moons, all with their unique characteristics and secrets, Jupiter's lunar family is a cornucopia of exploration opportunities. With so many moons, one can only imagine the view from Jupiter's surface. Did you know that Jupiter is believed to be the eldest sibling in our planetary family? That's right, Jupiter is considered the oldest planet in our solar system. It's estimated to have formed about 50 million years before our very own Earth. The formation of Jupiter is a fascinating subject of study. It likely formed beyond the snowline, an area of the solar system where it's cold enough for volatile compounds like water, ammonia, methane, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide to condense into solid ice grains. This icy beginning played a critical role in Jupiter's formation and gave it a head start in the planetary race. But Jupiter didn't stay put. It's believed to have migrated inward during its formation. The theories regarding this migration are numerous, including the Grand Tack hypothesis and the NICE model, each with their unique take on Jupiter's journey through the early solar system. Jupiter's composition, primarily hydrogen and helium, suggests it formed outside the molecular nitrogen snowline, and possibly even beyond the argon snowline. This paints a picture of a planet born in the icy outskirts of the solar system, growing rapidly and moving inward over time. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, Jupiter isn't just the largest planet, it's also the oldest.